The last 3 boxes of the case. Box number 1, 8, and 9. 198, 981. Good luck, everybody. You didn't do a sheet tonight?
Oh, right here. Give me 2 minutes.
Here are your teams. The Braves sold last night. If I know a few people were asking about that. No. No one's gonna buy pre-sales, really. Alright, first box. Good luck, everybody. 2014 Topps Triple Threads 3-box break at number 3. Let's see him. We got Shin-Soo Choo base, number 25. Nice hit. For Texas, going to Rebel Alliance 14. Mike Schmidt, number 250. Adam Wainwright. John Singleton, rookie. Nolan Ryan, and the first hit. Oh, wow. What a case this has been. Numbered 3 of 9. Patch auto, Bryce Harper.
Ooh.
Going to Lorion TJ. Sweet hit. 3 of 9. I'm trying to see what that's from. I think it's the All-Star Game patch. You can see the stars in there. So far this case has yielded a Bryce Harper number 9 patch auto. A Mariano Rivera 101 laundry tag, worn in the All-Star Game. In his last All-Star Game. And a Dustin Pedroia 101 logo man, worn in the All-Star Game. Plus McGuire patch number 3. This has been a crazy case. And number 36, Chris Medlin for the Braves. So I have no clue which one is a case hit or not. It's hard to tell, but Tanaka number 250. It's nice. Yankees. The Braves, Chris Medlin is going to Scotty Boy, and the Yankees is going to Raider fan. Tony Gwynn, number 325. Mark McGuire. Robin Yount. Ryan Braun. And Will Clark, bat relic auto, number 99. Nice hit. For San Francisco, going to Lorion TJ. Killing the break. And triple, number 27, Lone Stars, Texas Rangers, Adrian Beltre, Elvis Andrus, and Jurickson Profar. Going to Rebel Alliance 14. Box number 2. Nice pickup with the Nationals. Nice pickup. That Bryce Harper is sweet.
Come playoff time, I think he's going to be a factor.
Triple Threads is loaded this year.
Yeah. We'll be doing more triple threads on Friday.
To 125, Brooks Robinson. Prince Fielder to 325, Madison Bumgarner, Hanley Ramirez, Josh Hamilton. Number 35, Relic Auto, Sonny Gray, Future Phenoms for Oakland. Going to Raider fan. And for the Pirates, number 27, Relic of Neil Walker. One off the jersey number. Pittsburgh going to Lorian TJ. Wow. Save some room for the rest of the guys.
Yeah.
Interesting. Alright. Robin Yount, number 99. 250, Robbie Cano, Ozzie Smith, Dustin Pedroia. Another base, Giancarlo Stanton. Pedro, number 99, Pinstripe Relic Auto. New York Mets going to S. Dolman 22. And for the Yankees, number 18, Rocket Roll, Roger Clemens. Emerald. Go to the Yankees and Raider fan. Nice hit. Wonder what the other 9-box case is gonna look like. Jeez. Loaded. Loaded, I tell you. You never know. Red Sox do have a lot of hits in this product. Oops. Mr. Kimbrel, number 250. Atlanta. Ozzie Smith to 325. George Brett. Miguel Cabrera. Ernie Banks. And for Tampa Bay, there you go, Jake Odorizzi. Relic Auto, Jake Odorizzi, number 75. Gonna Weem the best 36. And number 36, 2-color patch, Roberto Alomar for Baltimore. Going to Orioles 8219. Last pack of the break. Good luck, everybody. Number 50 of Cliff Lee. Yeah, it's a hit at least. 325 Paul Goldschmidt. Let's keep sliding out. It's like miscut or something. Albert Pujols. Is he okay? Albert Pujols?
I didn't read today about him.
John Smoltz. A very
I think it's just
miscut George Springer or something. For the New York Mets, number 75, Travis d'Arnaud. Bat Relic Auto. 2 of 75. New York Mets going out to S. Dolman. And for the Reds, number 27, Joey Votto. Number 27 for Cincinnati. Going to Joseph 8124. Alright guys, that was the break. Thanks all for joining. Like we said, we'll have more triple threads breaking on Friday. We have some triple threads on our website. Please do check it out. It's all on our website, Random Teams. Can you see that Harper again? Yeah, definitely. I'll show that Harper again.
Yeah, it's gotta be. It goes to the big hit page. Extra for insurance.
Number 9. Sorry for the glare, it's a little top load glare. You get the point. Alright, congrats everyone. Like we said, we'll get these out right away. Thanks.